when it comes to levels of income, when it comes to levels of what really moves the needle financially, I want to give you three levels here. You don't have to write this down. You can just listen. I want you to think about these three people. A technician is somebody that does the work. So if you look at somebody in a business, in a store, say they're a stock clerk, they're doing the work. The second level is manager. A manager manages people who are doing the work. A manager gets paid more than the technician who does the work. Are y'all following that? Do you know the highest level and the next level is the level that we are in, which is communication? Technician, management, communication. When you get to this level of communication, this is where you can make the most impact and the most income. Can I break it down for you? Because it's not just public speaking. So let's take it into actors. How many know actors make a lot of money being in a movie? Denzel just became a minister, baptized in the whole thing. But the man has made millions of dollars as an actor. Communication. Actors are communicators. Singers. How many know that singers, performers, artists on stage make a ton of money? It's communication in song, in rap. The person that can communicate will always make way more money than the person that's doing the work. Leaders are communicators. And I'm going to give you a list of communicators. So you have actors, singers, speakers, leaders. Salespeople are communicators. Money is in communication. Talk show hosts, YouTubers. Communication is where the power and the money is. I'm going to go a little bit deeper on that in just a minute. So, podcasters, influencers, this is where you see the money. So I just want to say, you're in the arena. You're in the arena. And it's not all about charisma. It's not about who's the best communicator. The best communicators don't always make the most money. The race is not to the swift. The battle's not to the strongest person. Sometimes it's the person, like I told Cassandra last night or yesterday, your secret sauce is being real, your authenticity. The fact that you're willing to stand up in front of a group and say, I wanted a divorce on my honeymoon. Most people won't admit that. That's real. I never heard nobody say that before. But guess what? I remember when I was on my honeymoon, there was a period when my wife and I hit a little thing and we weren't talking on our honeymoon in Hawaii. I ain't never talked about it, but she just talked about wanting a divorce on the way to her honeymoon. I ain't even got there yet. So, communication. You all are in the right arena. My mentor, my master, my savior, the greatest communicator ever. But then the one that invented it all in the beginning was the Word. God is the greatest communicator of all time. And so he's given us this gift and put us in an arena where we can actually make money and impact from our communication. It's not about performance. It's about you having a burning desire to help people.